Hello students, look here, I am showing you addition of rational numbers. Okay, addition of rational numbers where denominators are different. We have to add here 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. 2 by 3 is a rational number and 3 by 5 is also a rational number, but both are positive and the denominators are different. We have to add, so we will write in this way: 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Okay, here denominators are different, so we have to find here LCM. Then LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. As there is no common number between 3 and 5, so we have to multiply and that will be the LCM. So LCM is 15 here. Then we will draw a line and write the LCM at the place of denominator. Okay, we have written here 15. Then we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of the first number. And denominator of the first number was 3, and if we divide 15 by 3, we will get 5. Then we have to multiply it by the numerator of the first number. Okay, then the number becomes 2 into 5. Now we will divide the LCM by the denominator of the second number. Denominator of the second number was 5, and if we divide 15 by 5, we will get 3. Then we have to multiply it by the numerator of the second number. The numerator of the second number was also 3, so the number becomes 3 into 3. Okay, now next step, denominator is 15 and 2 into 5 is 10 plus 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, here both numbers are positive, so we have to add here and the sign will also be positive. Here the number was 10 and plus 9, the number becomes 19. Both numbers are positive, so the sign will be also positive. 19 by 15 will be the answer. Okay, now another sum. I am showing you another sum where one number is negative. The numbers are minus 2 by 5 and 5 by 7. Here also denominators are different, so we will write in this way: minus 2 by 5 plus 5 by 7. As we have to add here, so this sign will be plus. Now we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominator is 5 of 7 is 35. Here also there is no common number between 5 and 7, so we have to multiply the numbers and that will be the LCM. So 7 into 5 is equal to 35 and 35 is the LCM. Okay, now we will draw a line and we will write the LCM at the place of denominator. And again the same process, we will divide the LCM by the denominator of the first number and we will multiply by the numerator of the first number. If we divide 35 by 7, we will get 7 and we have to multiply it by minus 2. Next, we will divide the LCM by the denominator of the second number, and if we divide 35 by 7, we will get 5, and we will have to multiply by the numerator of the second number. The numerator of the second number was also 5, so the number becomes 5 into 5. Okay, next step, denominator 35 and the first number becomes minus 2 into 7 is equal to minus 14, and 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Now one number is negative and another number is positive, so we have to subtract the numbers and the sign of the greater number will come. So if we subtract 14 from 25, we will get 11, and the sign of the greater number is was positive. 25 was the greater number and its sign was positive, so the number will be positive. Sign was plus, so here the number will also be plus. We do not need to write the first position, so the number becomes 11 by 35. The answer is 11 by 35. Okay. Now I am showing another sum where both numbers are negative. Look here, 3 by minus 8 and minus 5 by 12 are two rational numbers. We have to add here. Minus 3 by 8 plus minus 5 by 12. Okay. Second number was minus 5 by 12. We have to put a bracket here as there was minus sign and here was plus sign. Next again we have to find the LCM of the denominator. I hope you can find out LCM, but I am showing look here, LCM of 8 and 12. 8 and 12, common number 2, we will find divide by 2, it becomes 4. When we will divide 8 by 2, it becomes 4, and when we will divide 12 by 2, it comes 6. Again common number 2, then if we divide 4 by 2, it becomes 2, and if we divide 6 by 2, it becomes 3. And now there is no common number between 2 and 3, so we have to multiply all the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, it becomes 24. So LCM is 24. Okay, now we will write at the place of denominator 24. Then same process, we will divide by the denominator of the first number. If we divide 24 by minus 8, we will get minus 3. Then multiply it by the numerator of the first number. It was 3. Then the number becomes 3 into minus 3 plus divide the LCM by the denominator of the second number. It becomes 2. 24 divided by 12, it becomes 2, and then multiply it by the numerator of the second number. It was minus 5, then number becomes minus 5 into 2. Now next step, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. At first sign of multiplication of sign, plus minus minus, and 3 into 3 9. Okay, then again multiplication of sign, plus minus minus, 2 into 5 10. Both the numbers here are negative, so we have to plus add the numbers, but the sign will be negative. Minus 9 minus 10, it becomes minus 19. So the answer is minus 19 by 24. Okay, the answer is minus 19 by 24.